Essex County, New Jersey. Are you looking for a professional home remodeling company that serves the local area? If you are, you can always give us a call for a free estimate and consultation. As you can see, here is one of our projects. What we're doing here is we're installing new exterior, and also we're doing the waterproofing. As you can see, the excavation work that was done. Okay, so the siding, the excavation, and we're also going to install a new roof. If you want a free estimate from a local professional contractor, give us a call today at 973-487-3704, serving the Essex County, New Jersey area and the surroundings.